This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web specializing in high-end HVAC, heating, electrical testing equipment. They have whatever you might need. Sign up for special discounts and pricing. Link in description below.
Morning guys, July 8, 2019. This one here I got a call for no AC. Now I've been at this house before a lot. I think last year the mice chewed the hell out of an old system they had there. I mean real old. And I was there last year. I think I know I fixed a bunch of wires that were chewed from the mice and put some Freon in it. I told the guy last year, I mean the thing is really old. One of these snowbirds will go back and forth to Florida, so he's calling me. They're calling me again that the AC's not working, so probably either out of Freon or the mice got in there again.
Turn left.
I mean, it was pretty bad last year.
Then take the second right.
It was pretty gnarly. I don't think I got any video of it last year. I might have. But we're on our way there now. I mean, the system is really old. Probably, 25, 30-year vintage. So, let's see if we can get them going. Miss Molly is working again, y'all. Miss Molly is working again, y'all. Oh, yeah, you love working.
Turn right on Tucker Road.
You love working. I know you love working. You love working. You want to drive? You want to drive? Yeah, you love driving. You love driving. Guys, last year I told him he needed a new unit. This was all full of mice stuff last year. This is open. That's on. We'll take this apart and see what's going on. I mean, it was bad last year with mice. It's an older unit. What do we got there? I know it's a 22 unit. Probably a little 2-tonner. It's probably a little 2-tonner. See if we got any furry friends in there. Wouldn't doubt it. Last year was all pretty corroded, if I remember right. Well, don't look too bad. Don't look, oh yeah, there's a burnt wire right there. Yeah, burnt wire, that red one's burnt. That's probably what it is. Look at the capacitor. I mean, that thing was a shit show. I put a new contactor in last year. I must have left that capacitor. It was probably still good. See if we could change that wire out for her.
Here you come up. Here, get that thing out of your way. My ant trap.
Is that what that is?
Yeah. Get those
Hi, Steve.
big black
How are you doing?
Okay, how are you?
Okay.
Is this the little dog that you couldn't take last year because he would bark at everybody? Or
No, that's a new one.
that's a new one. He's so pretty.
Yeah, it's a little let's see what we got here.
Is that a Chihuahua too?
Uh-oh. Yeah, that's a long-haired Chihuahua.
Yeah, it's very pretty.
Yeah, she is
The
a...
dog in the window?
No, I didn't say
Well, I
it.
mean,
Yeah, I'm gonna have to put a new capacitor. Looks like it's all kind of rusted out. Yeah, that's my buddy,
yeah,
Miss Molly.
very cute.
Yeah, your capacitor's dead. I'll have to get a new one.
So is that
Well, the wire burnt, but the
is that a
capacitor...
big thing?
The capacitor's not working either, so... I mean, what can I tell you? Do what we can here. Huh?
Just lucky.
Yeah, that's the fan. That one's the compressor. Yeah, the wire's all broken. That's the fan. This is the compressor. Yeah, look at it. I mean, the thing's just toast. size that is. All corroded. We told you last year you needed a new unit.
I'm sorry?
We told you last year you needed a new unit.
I don't recall.
You don't recall?
No, I don't. So,
Now next door here, there's a small one.
It's a 50. 50. She's crusty. I think I might have one.
Yes, isn't it?
That is crusty.
yeah.
Say,
You think?
yeah, I think so. It's disgusting.
Should be the same size. Yeah.
Careful, some of this got thorns in it, hon.
Alright, so this is the compressor, which is the Herm. I think I needed a new contact on that too.
Could it started a fire?
Huh?
Could this thing have started a fire?
Maybe. I mean, I don't know.
These things do
Most of the
not
time they just burn the wires.
Uh-huh.
Do you have to cut those off or they fall off eventually?
You're talking about the,
Just sticking up there.
oh yeah, I've got to get that help do that.
Do they ever just fall off?
Oh yeah, eventually.
But nothing's broken.
I'm glad you could come up today.
How's Florida? I heard it's really traffic-wise, it's really bad.
Yeah.
It's getting worse
It is
all
all
the time.
winter.
Well, it is in
There's the
Sarasota.
fan. Look at that one's all. It's getting worse all the time, I heard, huh?
Yes, it is.
It's like being in Boston, I heard, the traffic.
Well, not quite that bad, but it's bad.
I heard you go out anywhere, and I mean, it's a flipping wait to go anywhere.
Well, our entrance is off of a 7-lane roadway there. You know, 3 lanes in each direction and a middle turn lane. And we find that when we come out, sometimes it's a lot easier to go around the block, taking a right and going around the block than trying to take a left, go across the 7 lanes of traffic. But that's in the peak of the of the season.
There's the fan.
Normally you kind of wait for the traffic light up at the 2 corners and you can usually get out. So it can be a stinker.
Oh, this is going to be a tight one.
So you're pretty busy, huh?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm always busy.
Yeah, last year we didn't realize it until the air was totally gone, but this year, it's coming out, but it's not nearly cold enough.
Well, it ain't going to work like that with the wires all broken, so try to get new wires in there for you.
Sure.
I have your glasses. Clean them once for you.
They're clean.
Well, they're not clean now.
Of course they are. It's only a little rust there.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna go in because I'm chilly.
Okay.
Okay.
You like my dog, huh?
Yeah, I gotta go pick
Beautiful.
a picture.
She won't jump out the window, huh?
Nah, Miss Molly.
He or she?
It's Miss Molly.
Miss Molly.
Yeah. She's a long-haired Chihuahua.
Yeah, that's pretty safe.
I'll put a little good-sized wire on there for it. Probably overkill, but better to be more than not enough. Everybody loves Molly. That's the common, which is a little bit bigger than I needed, but whatever. I'd rather put more than not enough, right? Put that back on there, common, which is the neutral. It's 220, so it's not really a common. People get all bumhurt about that. Alright, so that should start now. We'll run it and check the charge. Probably needs Freon or refrigerant, however you guys want to call it. Let's see if it starts. Nope.
Can I give you a little treat?
Yeah. I think the breakers are off in the house. Did the breakers trip in the house?
Oh, I turned it off.
Oh, okay.
You want it on, right?
No, the breaker. Did you shut the breaker off in the panel? I'll go inside and check it. Breaker must have tripped. I gotta go inside anyway. She's a crusty one, Mr. Grinch. Yeah, breaker was off. Well, don't forget you had all burnt wires in there, so.
Huh?
You had all burnt wires in there. They hit the ground and they arcs out.
Did you find the right one?
Yeah. We turned it on. We'll go try it. Let's see if we can get it to run now.
Got they labeled?
Well, I don't know. Whatever one was tripped, I turned on.
Oh. Yeah, that would be it.
Yeah, that would do it.
That would be it. Your doggy didn't like our treats.
Well, she don't eat much.
Yeah, I got these little treats for
She usually don't eat much.
you. She's so cute. Yeah, we lost our dog in October.
How old?
About 14.
Yeah, so that's not bad.
And,
No.
But she was so sick last year. It was
Yeah,
awful.
it's terrible.
It was
Yeah, I had a dog like that. I mean,
Yeah.
she started getting sick at the end, and it's hard, you know.
Yeah, it was. So
You make a friend?
Oh, yeah.
That's my buddy. He loves everybody. He's running. Probably gonna be low on Freon too. We'll check it. I probably had to add some last year too.
Yes, you did.
Well, if it leaks out, it's gonna continue to leak. Obviously, it's an older unit, right?
Yeah.
I don't know what the date is on it, but
The 8 was the,
yeah, I don't know about the date. Yeah, 98. So that's was that when the house was built? 98.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can. So you got a washable filter in there. You're gonna need to check it. But yeah, we're fine there. I mean, 15-degree superheat. We don't want to go any more than that.
last year was 3.
Yeah, we're good there. Subcoolant's kind of high, but I mean, every so often hit this with a garden hose.
Okay.
Do you ever do that?
I have. You told me to.
Yeah. So it seems pretty clean. I mean, keep it.
Yeah.
Might want to hit it to get that stuff out of the bottom there, but that's about the best we're gonna get right there. I mean, the charge is fine. This is a little. That's all from. I don't know if that's mice piss in there, but it looks pretty nasty. See it?
Yeah.
Not good. All right, so that's about it.
Did you get any in there again?
No, I didn't see any in there this year. But we'll leave the charge right where it is. The neighbor's unit. I just shut it off because no one's living here and it's all iced up. Look at that. So I shut it off. She's gonna call the organization. She's icing up. That's something, huh? For York.
Her hat just let go. Hello, sweetheart. We tried to give her a treat. She wouldn't take it. She didn't like what we
Well,
had.
she'll take it, but she won't eat it till later. She tries burying it.
Oh, okay. You're such a cutie.
She's a good little girl.
You be good to your daddy.
That's my buddy. All right, we'll see you.
Yeah.
About 6 months. Yeah, just go ahead and hit that with the hose and see if you can get that stuff out and hit this, you know?
Yeah.
There you go. Yeah, if you get that, see if you can clean that stuff out of there.
Yeah.
You'll be able to do that. Yeah, just hit it and get all that stuff out of there, and you know, and then hit the sides and just kind of give it a good flushing. All right.
I will. Yeah.
All right, there you go.
Thank you again, Steve.
All right.
Okay.
Take it easy.
Bye-bye.